It is important to understand the earning potential of any business model. And in this video, we will discuss the earnings model of 5 billion sales at service level 1. Please do not miss this opportunity and watch the full video to understand how much we can earn. There will be total 16 levels after level 0. Everyone will be the top leader of his/her own group, and this level will be called level 0. From level 2 to 16 you will get a $5 override commission for each member yearly. Let's break down the earnings and check how much can you earn from service 1 if everyone makes 2 members from level 2 to 16. At level 0, you will be the only one. At this level you will get $400 per year for using the internet and generating data. After level 0, the next level will be level 1. You will get $100 yearly for each person you introduce or sponsor at this level. If you sponsor 2 persons or affiliates, then you will get 2 times 100 equals $200 at level 1. The next level is level 2, and at this level, you will have 4 members. If each affiliate from level 1 makes 2 members, then 2 times 2 equals 4 members. So, at level 2 you will have 4 times $5 equals $20. Remember, this $5 is override commission. Similarly, at level 3, if all 4 members at level 2 make 2 members each, then you will have 8 members at level 3. How much you will get at this level? Let's check. So 8 times $5 will be $40. So you will get $40 at this level. The next level is level 4. If all 8 members at level 3 make 2 members each, then you will have 8 times 2 equals 16 members at level 4, and 16 times 5 means you will get $80 at this level. At level 5 you will have 16 times 2, 32 members. It means 32 times 5 will be equal to $160. So you will get $160. At level 6 you will have 32 times 2 equals 64 members. If you multiply 64 by 5 you will get $320 at this level. At level 7 you will have 64 times 2 equals 128 members. If you multiply 128 by 5 you will get $640 override commission at this level. At level 8 you will have 128 times 2 equals 256 members. If you multiply 256 by 5 you will get $1,280 commission at level 8. At level 9 you will have 256 times 2 equals 512 members. If you multiply 512 by 5 you will get $2,560 at this level. At level 10 you will have 512 times 2 equals 1,024 members. If you multiply 1024 by 5 you will get $5,120 at this level. At level 11 you will have 1,024 times 2 equals 2048 members. If you multiply 2048 by 5 you will get $10,240 as commission. At level 12 we will have 2,048 times 2 equals 4,096 members. If you multiply 4,096 by 5 you will get $20,480 override commission at this level. At level 13 you will have 4,096 times 2 equals 8,192 members. If you multiply 8,192 $60 at this level. At level 14 you will have 8,192 times 2 equals 16,384 members. If you multiply 16,384 by 5 you will get $81,920 at this level. At level 15 we will have 16,384 times 2 equals 32,768 members. If we multiply 32,768 by 5 you will get $163,840 at this level. At level 16, we will have 32,768 times 2 equals 65,536 members. If we multiply 65,536 by 5 you will get $327,680 at this level. If we add all members from level 1 to level 16, then there will be 131,070 members, and if we add all income from level 0 to level 16, it will be equal to $655,940 per year or $54,661 per month. Let's check another possibility. How much you can earn. If everyone makes only one member from level 2 to 16. At level 0 you will get $400. At level 1 if you make just one affiliate, then you will get another $100. At level 2 if an affiliate at level 1 just makes one member, then there will be only one member at level 2, and 1 times $5 will be equal to $5. At level 3 if a member at level 2 just makes one member, then there will be only one member at this level, and 1 times $5 will be equal to $5. At level 4 if a member at level 3 just makes one member, then there will be only one member at level 4, and 1 times $5 will be equal to $5. At level 5 there will be just one member, and 1 times $5 will be equal to $5. Similarly, from level 6 to level 16, if this pattern repeats, and everyone makes just one member, then the override commission for each level will be just 5 for each level. If we add all members, then there will be 16 members total, and if you add all income from level 0 to level 16, it will be equal to $575. Now you can see there is a huge difference in earnings. If everyone makes 2 members, then you can get $655,940 per year or $54,661 per month. But if everyone makes just one member, not 2, then earnings will decline sharply, and you will get only $575 per year instead of $655,940 per year. It means you will get 1,140 times less money if you and everyone under you just make only one member instead of 2. In this scenario, you will make only $575. On the other hand, you can get 1,140 times more money, which is $655,940 per year, if you and everyone under you make 2 members each. Now it's up to us whether we want to earn $575 per year by making only one member, or we want to earn $655,940 per year by making 2 members with some extra efforts. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos on business, education, and general knowledge.